welcome. We are here at Magic Kingdom today. We are here for the parades. They have a ton of holiday parades. So we're gonna see what kind of Christmas characters we can see, what kind of Christmas parades. And of course, you know, we're gonna go ride a couple rides.
Dang right.
Here, let's go have some fun.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Right, so a parade came by about every, I want to say 15 minutes
Yeah.
for a good hour, and now they've stopped. So we're gonna go ride a ride, and then we'll come back and hopefully catch some more.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
They give about what, 30 minutes to an hour break. I think that's what I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess that's how long it will take for another parade to come through now. They
I
do.
don't know, it is lunchtime, so maybe they're thinking everybody's gonna go get lunch. So
Yeah.
all right, we'll just ride a ride, and we'll be back here on Main Street in an hour or two.
Conspiracy. Hold on. So what if they were doing it 10 to 15 minutes, right?
Right.
But then you notice how people were like hanging out and they all started, getting a little crowded. So what if
They were like,
they were
okay,
told,
hold off for a minute.
Yeah, until like the crowd dispersed, and then we'll do it again.
Yeah. That could be.
That little me,
But
my assumption. So
we're still getting really bored just sitting here.
yeah,
And the sidewalk is pretty cold, so my butt's frozen. Let's go ride a ride.
let's do it.
Space Mountain, Pirates. Space Mountain, Pirates. Space Mountain, Pirates.
I'm gonna go grab my gun real
Here comes an adventure in Sojo Pirates, eh? You've come to the proper place.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Dave Shaw?
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs!
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boy?
So I know that's not a Christmas ride, but it's one of our favorites. So.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go over to Westward Ho. If you've watched our last holiday at Magic Kingdom video, I really want to try this churro. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go over there to Westward Ho, see if they actually have it this time, and if not, maybe we'll just go get some coffee.
I'm down for coffee
All right, let's go.
every hour.
Every hour
Of
on the
the
hour.
hour.
Okay, so Westward Ho has the churro, but the line is about, it wraps back around that corner. It's about 30 people long. So,
So, you glad to do it? Are we gonna brave it?
no, I'm not waiting behind 30 people for a churro.
Well, now that 30 just turned to 40.
No, I'd rather have a coffee.
All right, let's do it.
Do you want to ride a Big Thunder Mountain or Space Mountain?
Space.
All right, let's go.
Let's go to space.
But the good news is they do have it. So if you want it, it's here.
I didn't think that was there. Whenever I get some,
Good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this invention.
I might try to get y'all on the ride with us. You wanna do it?
But Well, I think this is why it's taking so long. We've got empty car after empty car. Looks like they're testing the alpha side.
Yeah, so once the other side opens.
Yeah, once they open the alpha side, we should zoom right through, but I don't know how long that's gonna be. We made it to the alpha side this time, so we haven't been on alpha in months.
Yeah. Wait, did Alpha House also have a big drop?
I don't even remember.
I don't either.
I don't remember. Alpha side was fun because we haven't ridden it in forever, so
yeah,
we forgot where everything was.
Oh my god! You know what? I think Alpha, has the bigger drop.
I don't know. Aren't they exactly opposite though?
I don't know, but one felt like we had a pretty good fall time.
Yes, it did. All right, it is 3 o'clock on the dot. We have worked 5 days in a row, sometimes double shifts. We have very physical jobs, so our bodies are tired. We're gonna go get some coffee.
Yes.
It is definitely coffee time, and hopefully catch some more parades.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right.
Yay, Starbucks, but big long line.
It's called Main Street Bakery.
All right, we made it finally. Took us about 15 minutes, and we're the next to go in. It's been another 15, and we're almost to the front. Everybody wants coffee right now.
I mean, it's been, well, yeah, it's been that way. But ever since you got in today, right?
Yeah.
Got in here?
It's been busier. This holiday season's picking up traffic. Almost finished our coffee. We're heading into Adventureland. We're gonna ride Jingle Cruise. We didn't really, we saw one more parade, but it was Merida, and we've already seen that one. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I think we've seen all of them.
I'm trying to think. I feel like there was one other one that.
I think Winnie the Pooh. I think that's it. I think that's the only one we're missing.
Oh, okay.
So, all right, let's head over to Jingle Cruise. So the line starts back there past the orange Sunshine Tree Terrace. And we're right by the entrance to the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. It's probably going to be about an hour wait, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Time to be bored for a little bit. What game do you want to play?
I don't know, because I'm going to get irritated with I Spy. It's called the boop.
No, I don't like that game.
big bow on the top of the tree. Don't worry, they only go after people with fabric face coverings or sometimes paper ones. I've seen them on paper face coverings. Now, this is our gift wrapping station, everybody. Some have questioned the wisdom of using silverback gorillas as our gift wrappers, but I'm here to tell you, I think they've got great turnout. And I did have a hidden agenda within my hidden agenda, which was that we wanted to find the search party that got lost, looking for the paracargo that got lost. Boy, I remember trying to warn these guys before they went out. In fact, never give the rhinoceros a fruitcake. It's amazing. It's just don't do it. It's a bad idea. But you know what? They'll get the point, man. Watch your step, everybody. By the way, anything left behind will be considered a present. Except for small children.
It says Happy New Year. Super fun, super chilly, super festive, super silly, and very cool. Very, very cool.
Very cool.
Alright, that was our day out to see all the Christmas parades. We're at the Jingle Cruise.
I got my Starbucks.
Rode a couple rides.
It's been great.
Fun day. We hope you guys had so much fun. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thanks so much for trekking with us.
Yeah.
Bye. See you soon.